How to remove background from an image in just 5 seconds. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove background from an image in just 5 seconds without installing or downloading any software or application. For this, we will be using a website called remove.bg. This website can remove the background from any image for free. We have to upload an image for which we want to remove the background. Just with a single click we can see the entire background has been removed perfectly. Now we can simply download the image by clicking the download button. For any modifications in the image, click on the edit button. Here we can choose from different options, such as blur or add custom filters to the image. Either we can choose a custom image or can select from any of the given ones. We can keep the background transparent, or may add some color to it. There is another tool, which is called Erase or Restore. After choosing any one of the tools, we have to choose the brush size. Erase brush will remove the image. Restore brush will bring back the removed image or its background. We also have the options for zooming in and out, along with undo and redo. After the editing, we can just download the image. Let's try another image. Clearly it has done an amazing job. The entire background has been removed perfectly. We hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or feedback, write it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.